Sick, poverty-stricken Americans are forced to live like Spartans. For the unfortunate needy and uninsured are not permitted to get affordable health care in the corporations of hospitals, as doctors taking Medicare and Medicaid are uncommitted. Still, many Americans do not care if the poor die from bad health, as sociable concepts like health care for all make them complain. For the more affluent filth will always imperially screw the poor, and the corrupted pharmaceutical companies will do the same. The healthcare revolution is fought to end female gender ratings, for existing healthcare is misogynist, pure, and elementary, but still many women do not fight against paying more than a man for what, with equal lawful human rights, should not be supplementary. It is the greedy human beings who want to deny health care for all, feeling the false politically marked sense of security and heed, as the healthcare cynics look to covetous Washington politics. But that is all full of feces, also known as corporation greed. Many citizens and politicians complain about the money needed to start an affectionate human healthcare revolution, as insurance companies complain because they have no one to screw with the heartless tribe of the unloving Tea Party evolution. Many forget that a grim tragedy can wipe out a bank account, regardless of healthcare politics based on irrationality, as hospital bills can cause foreclosure in any neighborhood, and one should not depend on their neighbors for their hospitality. One would think America had a sense of responsibility, but the broken ones who cannot afford good health care are to ration, as most humans ignore kids living in cars next to mentally ill. For much of the nation of Americans has lost its compassion. Many citizens turn to the morons sitting on the Supreme Court, who are corrupted by the drug company insurance overhaul, for they are products bought and sold like pharmaceutical companies, with pull strings of puppets who laugh at the concept of health care for all. Yet still there are those who care when draconian measures are the rule, and when a corruptive doctor prefers gentle extermination, using morphine to wipe a poor patient subtly and quickly, as some caregivers refuse to give everyone good medication. Women with current special needs are treated with therapy, while the masculine doctors feed drugs that cut the lifespan by 2/3, as the revolution keeps women from becoming zombie drudges. For the politician and doctors commit their sins in manly herds. Women have been denied health care because of pre-existing conditions found in the diseases like the normal course of life called pregnancy, denying coverage for those who give birth through cesarean section, for the gluttonous insurance companies act contemptuously. It is a moral imperative to have affordable health care, for it should never be a pre-existing or financial issue, and nobody should be profiled as needy or as a woman for having the inability to pay or feminine tissue. Some want to save the hospitals from becoming concentration camps, for death to the unpaid poor is more efficient for society, allowing the cruel doctors to groom a superior human race based on the atrocious, spiritless, monetary variety.